How to fix WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this easy tutorial. If your WordPress site is not displaying correctly, first and foremost check for your themes and additional plugins. If it is still not working, you will need an advanced plugin. For that, exit from your WordPress and just search for WordPress AMP add-ins. Select on the first option. Now in here you will see the download button. You can just tap on download to install this add-in. To know about the installation process, just tap on installation. So in here, as you can see, according to the instruction, upload the folder to the WP Content Plugins directory. Activate the plugin through the Plugins menu in WordPress. Navigate to AMP settings in the WordPress to configure the plugin. You will see an interface like this, which means all you have to do is just tap on Add New. This will be under the option of plugins. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is tap on Install Now button. This is if you are using on your PC. Once you have successfully installed the AMP plugin, you will find various of benefits to it, such as reduced server load and improved battery life. Not only that, overall an AMP plugin is a valuable tool for WordPress site that sees significant mobile traffic. It can help to improve mobile user experience, SEO ranking, and overall website performance. So go ahead and add this specific add-ins in your WordPress. And it's a wrap for the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.